So let's talk about the fact that you look around your environment and you don't like what you see, or you want change. Things aren't going the way you think. Okay, so this is something that I've been reflecting on a lot. I've been thinking about this a lot. The fact that we stay in these patterns that are the same. We keep doing the same thing over and over and over, and we don't really like to make changes. We don't want to heal our traumas. We don't want to heal these things that keep us in this place. And I have been working on healing these traumas and seeing my own patterns. And so I realized that we stick to things that we are familiar with, things that we grew up with, like, for example, when I was younger, I was in a bad situation. I was in a bad relationship. Something bad happened to me. And because of that, I am now attracted to certain patterns, certain relationships, certain ways that people treat me. And then I realized through my healing that I've been carrying this pattern on since I've been four to eight is when this incident happened. And I have carried that pattern on until now, where I can actually see that I've been carrying a pattern on that doesn't serve me anymore. So we need to take the time to reflect and look inside ourselves to see what patterns that we are in so we can make changes. So I'm going to give an example. Okay, so per se, you're working really, 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 really hard, and you don't want to work really, really hard anymore. But the thing is you spend tons and tons and tons of money, so you have to keep working really, really, really hard. You probably spend your money on things that aren't good for you, things that maybe are addictive because you have this pain within and you're trying to heal it, you're trying to cover it up. You don't want to deal with it. So you go to work really hard, come home, drink, smoke, eat junk food, eat crap, eat out, eat McDonald's, eat candy bars, eat junk. I mean, what is your vice? What do you do? Oh, drink coffee. Drink lots of coffee because that makes you feel good, gives you a high. Coffee is not good for you guys if you don't know that. So we stay in these patterns that aren't healthy because we don't want to deal with our issues. But if we don't want to work so hard, what do we need to do? Okay, well, first of all, let's overcome our addictions. So we're not spending money on things that we don't need to spend money on. We don't need to buy coffee. We don't need to buy junk food. We don't need to buy tobacco, cigarettes, alcohol. It's just all of that is literally a waste of money. You are throwing your money away. Instead, you should be spending your money on healthy food, fruits and vegetables, stuff that feed your body, give your body energy, heal your body, bring yourself back to wholeness, heal yourself. And I mean, if you don't take care of your temple, where are you going to live? The body is the temple. You need to take care of yourself. So we get rid of all that stuff. We decided to deal with our stuff. We're going to get rid of all of our addictions. We don't need addictions anymore. Oh, look, we have all this money that we're not spending on addictions. We're not going down to the gas station and buying junk every day that costs, $15 every trip. We're not going to the liquor store and spending, $20 on beer every day. We're not going to Starbucks every day and spending $5 to $10 for a cup of coffee. And then on top of it, we get our coffee, we get our beer, we get our junk food. Think about all that money that's wasted. So you deal with your issues, guess what? You have more money. You don't have to work as hard anymore. That brings real change. So we need to start reflecting on ourselves. Take the time to look at our own traumas and our own self-sabotage. And we need to take the time to heal from that. One thing that I'm personally working on is I have a habit of being by myself. I don't want to talk to people. I just want to be by myself because I'm here with all my emotions and I'm trying to heal from them, and I don't feel like I fit in with the rest of the world. I feel like everybody is judging me, and I just feel like this outsider, this weird person that does juices and eats healthy all the time. And how can I possibly go out to eat or, be around people in these social events because I'm eating healthy? I don't feel like I fit in. Well, that's my pattern. That's my pattern. So I'm also feeling very lonely. Well, I did it to myself. Here I am in this room by myself. I did it to myself out of my own actions. Instead, what I need to do is push myself to open up to people, talk to people. When I'm out and I'm not comfortable, I need to start talking to people. Just being nice. Try to make conversation. I mean, it's not going to be comfortable for me. It's not going to be easy. But you know what I have to do? I have to deal with my stuff. And it's going to make me a better person. It's going to make me a stronger person. I'm going to have to get out there and do things like go to social events that I'm not comfortable with. I'm going to have to make myself, like this Sunday, I'm going to go back to church because I'm making myself be around people. I'm trying to find ways to make myself be around people. And then instead of just sitting there and being quiet, I'm going to make myself go talk to people, because I am changing the pattern of being by myself because I don't like it. I'm miserable here by myself. I want friends. I want community. I want people. But my pattern is just to stay here in my comfort zone and not deal with my stuff. So nothing's ever going to change. So there you go. 2 stories, 2 things that maybe the stories would help you if you have issues where you're spending lots of money or issues where you're being by yourself. There is 2 things that you can do to help yourself. All right, guys, if you have not, make sure you go to my website, mymorningcleanse.com/free, and I give you a free video course on how to do the morning cleanse. And if you are into healing and you want to heal your body and get rid of addictions and feed your body with good food, then that is the class that will help you. And I have to say, it is one of the most amazing classes that I've put together, the morning cleanse class. If you want more details than just the video outline, I have a membership where you get the whole, like there's ebooks, there's videos, and there's support. So you have people around you. And then you can go down a healing journey and be successful. Also, remember that liking this video, either like it up or like it down if you don't like it, helps my channel, helps this video, and commenting in the comment section below also helps my video. All right, guys, if you have watched this to the end, thank you so much for paying attention this long. Have a wonderful day. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.